jerk pork belly, on a skewer, rotisserie on the canca. The best pork I've had in my life to date. You guys want to learn how to make this? Stick around and I'm going to show you guys. All right, has like a pork belly. This guy weighs about 5 pounds. Check this out, guys. When I seen this guy, I had to buy it. Only because of the ratio of meat and fat. I could not pass up the offer, and I've been searching for a good pork belly at Sam's Club, because that's the only place I can find it. But the ratio, guys, check this out. All meat, very little fat. Every time I go, guys, it's all fat, no meat. So I could not pass up on this offer. Let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. Just a quick pat. Beautiful. Have I ever had a pork belly? Nope. First time here, guys. But I'm looking forward to it. And if you guys are wondering what is pork belly is where we get our bacon. As you can see, this would be a good piece for breakfast, that's for sure. Pork belly, you can make it so many different ways, guys. And the first thing that came to my mind was a canca, live fire. It's a way to go, guys, for me. So we're gonna cut this up and then we're gonna season it. So I think we're gonna go this way, long ways. Let's go ahead and just cut. Go ahead and cut it. Like if you guys don't know how to cut meat, I'm just trying to figure out how this is gonna go on the canca, how thick I should do it or how thin. All right, I think that's pretty good right here. Buddy CJ from Mom and Papa, he uses this stuff all the time. And he claims it's good and his barbecue looks fantastic. So I just wanted to check it out and try it out for myself, see what I think. A little bit in this container. It said 1 ounce per 2 pounds. So I think that's good right there. And it does say to put back in the refrigerator once we use it. But before we put our Walker's wood, let's go ahead and season it with cow shake from Uncle Steve. Because I did taste it, it didn't have too much salt. Let's go ahead with the big shaker because it's not really coming out. Season heavily. We want flavor everywhere. It's gonna be good, guys. Just rub it on there. And it has this distinctive smell. It's really fruity, guys. You can tell it has some type of orange or lemon or it has something like that because it's really fruity. It smells good. It has vinegar for sure, because when I tasted it, you can taste the vinegar in there. Just kind of massage it in, make sure it gets everywhere. I think that's pretty good right there. Ideally, you would want to marinate this for 24 hours at least. You know, you get more flavor that way. But for today, I have no time for that. That'll be for another day. And we're gonna put this on our canca. So we can figure ways out to put this on. You can use the snake method. Just turn your meat like this, like a snake. I don't even know if there's a method called the snake method, but it just sounds right. Right? It's gonna be good, guys. Maybe 2 seconds top, I can keep my hand under there. Let me tell you guys something. The reason I chose live fire, for me, live fire is the way to go, guys. Self-basting, the flavor of the oak, the flavor of the drippings hitting the fire. This just doesn't get any better than that, in my opinion. To me, barbecue is therapeutic. In a sense, you know, it's kick back, get to enjoy the fire on a cold morning. So, just my 2 cents on barbecue, guys. All right, guys, stick around. bring it back once this develops some good color. Alright guys, just going for a quick temp. 191. That's butter right there. 202. 203. This is done, guys. I'll see you guys inside. Stick around. I'm gonna call that done. We're gonna go ahead and let that rest 10-15 minutes. You know what? The house smells absolutely fantastic, guys. I mean, we can go many ways of cutting this off. We can come in here and trim away. Woo, look at all that juice, guys. Glistening with juice. You can shave as you want. Make some tacos, sandwiches, all kinds of stuff. We're gonna go ahead and just pull the meat off. Incredible. Look at how juicy this is. I did probe it at 200 and some change. Look at this. Look at how juicy that is. The fat rendered pretty good. It's a little crispy. Oh, heck yeah, buddy. Man, look at all those juices, guys. Just glistening. Talk about porky, fatty. I did trim a lot of the fat, so I'm just eating the meat. Damn, man, this is absolutely fantastic. Probably the best pork I've had in my life. It's like a juicy, juicy pork chop. Freaking outstanding. That jerk seasoning, when I first seen it out of the pail, I didn't think much of it. After cooking it on the pork, man, I got a lot of recipes coming with that jerk seasoning. I just can't stop eating it. That's how freaking good this is. I wouldn't change nothing from this recipe. There's a little spice, but not much. I love it. This one right here is like one of my top 10 for sure. I did a smoked meatball sandwich. That was one of my top 10 right there. That was fantastic. This pork belly, you cannot go wrong, guys. I waited too long. I waited too long to cook it. All right, guys. Gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. I'm George. Subscribe to my channel if you like it. Give me that thumbs up. I just can't stop looking at this pork, guys. Cheers.